Hello and welcome back to the YouTube channel of Crypto and Chai. Today I will show you how to add Binance Smart Chain to your Metamask wallet in less than 2 minutes. BNB is the native token for Binance Smart Chain network. As the native token, BNB serves as the gas fees for transactions on the Binance chain. Binance Smart Chain has made immense traction in early 2021 so far, partly thanks to Ethereum's congestion and gas fees issues, which has caused developers and staking investors to look for other options. The BSC community made the network even more appealing to new users as a cost effective and stable alternative by lowering its gas fees from 15 GUI to 10 GUI to counter Binance Coin BNB's insane price jump to over $300 in February 2021. To start, click MetaMask symbol on the top right hand corner of your browser. Now enter your password and login. Click on the drop down of the Ethereum network and click on Add Network. You will be redirected to a new page. Now enter the details. Network name will be Smart Chain. New RPC URL will be https bsc dataseed.binance.org. Enter the chain ID as 56. Current symbol will be BNB. Block Explorer would be https bscscan.com. You can find all the details in the description below as well. Congratulations, you have successfully added BSC network to your MetaMask. Do not forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel Crypto and Chai. You can also join our Telegram and Twitter community. Our username is Crypto and Chai. Details have been mentioned in the description. Thank you.